In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to download the Dollar Tree app. Let's get started. Launch your App Store or Play Store. Now in the search box, type in the app name Dollar Tree and search for it. Once app appears, click on it. Now you're going to find the option of Get or Install. You'll need to click on that. If you're using iOS device, you might be prompted to use your Face ID or use your Apple ID's password for the verification process. Once you complete this, download process will start. Make sure you have stable internet connection so that the download process will be faster. The Dollar Tree app lets you browse products, view weekly ads, save your favorite items, and scan barcodes for product information and prices while shopping in store. And select your preferred store for a more personalized experience. Once it has been downloaded, launch it, provide your credentials, and log in and use it. So that's it. This is how you can easily download the Dollar Tree app. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.